The factory editions are special, limited-run models that erase the last few spec variances between what is stock and what is factory. It's then up to the rider how much they want to make the difference. How fast are you and how much do you want it?
For 2024, the KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition inherits the basis of the 2024 Peerless KTM SXF Motocross Racers and then, thanks to a list of KTM POWERPA-RTS editions, gets as close to the pros as it's possible to be. This specific bike comes with a fresh chassis, and a brand new connectivity unit that allows more interaction and setup possibilities than ever before. The 2024 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition has been crafted by racers for the ultimate racecraft.
Shape your 2024 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition quickly and easily with the anticipated arrival of the connectivity unit off-road. This two-part system is mounted between the right fork leg, protected by the shape of the number plate, and the GPS component on the redesigned front fender. The CUO enables a wealth of easily adjustable options for engine behavior and suspension settings via the KTM Connect app. But that's not all. An official affiliation with Lit Pro will empower all riders to examine their lines, speed, airtime, throttle position, and other information to make their lap times worthy of the 2024 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. The 2024 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition uses launch control and a quickshifter function, allowing for fast upshifts without using the clutch. Launch control is easily engaged by pressing the traction control and quickshifter buttons simultaneously and works by limiting the amount of power to the rear wheel, improving traction, and preventing loss of control under hard acceleration. Meanwhile, the quickshifter function means you can bang through from second to fifth gear with your focus solely on the first corner. Honing starts is made easier with the 2024 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition due to the WP Factory Start device that lends useful compression on the front forks and is easily engaged and then disengaged when blasting into action.